Welcome to the first hour environmental science class. We have just received word that we have someone that can help us, that can help inform us with our mussel species and the pollution of our waters. Hello, ma'am. I heard that you know some facts that can help us with our mussels and our waters.
Yes, I do.
How can we help let our mussel species thrive?
Well, what we can do is we can reduce the amount of runoff that is going into our lakes and also reducing the amount of invasion of zebra mussels. And by doing this, it will be able to clear up the habitat and resources for our native freshwater mussels and also keep the waters a lot cleaner, not only for the mussels but also for the fish habitat.
How can we stop the amount of runoff going into our lakes, and what is the benefit of doing so?
Well, what we can do is we can take pet feces and take them off our lawns and off the sidewalks and the roads, and also reducing the amount of pesticides that we use on our lawns as well. Because when rain or snow starts raining and going off into runoff, it usually pollutes our waters and that stuff. And just reducing that, it won't pollute it as much, and it'll be a cleaner, healthier environment for our species.
You mentioned earlier that the invasion of zebra mussels can affect the mussel species. Could you explain to us why this may be important information for the public?
Yes. So zebra mussels have come like all the way from Europe by ship and have invaded our lakes and rivers. But by invading our lakes and rivers, they have been able to choke out our species with their food and their habitat and just taking up so much space that they just die off. And by reducing this, they will be able to have more room to thrive.
What can we help to solve the zebra mussel issue?
Well, what we can do is we can scrape off boats and we can rinse them off, along with any buckets at all before going into new lakes, because then the zebra mussels won't travel from one lake to another, and we'll just keep them in a permanent area instead of spreading them around and ruining the habitat for other species.
Why is paying attention to our mussel species so very important to our lakes and rivers?
Well, freshwater mussel species are like a filtration system for our rivers and our lakes. They help with water quality and fish habitat, and just all in general are a good system, or good thing for our ecosystem.
Thank you, ma'am, for your time and cooperation. Back to you, Weather.
Monday is 78, Tuesday is 74, Wednesday is 80, Thursday is 64, Friday is 78. Back to you, Doomsday.